If you have a lot of material to cut but lack the dexterity for operating manual scissors all day and are looking for an alternative, then you're in the right place. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this HK cordless scissor box cutter that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I'm going to bring you guys in, give you guys a closer look at this box cutter, and give you guys a quick demo. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, so this is going to come in this nice hard case for storage and transport. Inside, you're going to find your owner's manual, your scissor, a replacement blade, a box cutter, manual style here, and your USB-C charging cable. So out of the box, these come set up and ready to go with the blade already installed. Basically, you got a very simple operation. You've got a lock button here that prevents the blade from being activated without the safety lock being unlocked here. Press the button, press your handle, and it's ready to go. It handles up to 1/4 inch material, so you can cut cardboard, paper, leather, even some small metal. So super efficient, guys. Simply power it on and you're cutting. Super convenient if you got a lot of cutting to do, again, and you just don't have the manual dexterity for doing this here all day long. So if you guys are looking for an alternative to your regular scissor, I highly recommend this HK box cutter here. I hope this helps.